We believe Beijing is another very good ecosystem, a place where you have good academic science, where you have biotechs, where you have good talent, a lot of talented scientists, and you can bring all these people together to collaborate. These days, you also want to bring artificial intelligence in the mix. We believe Beijing has enormous capabilities in academic science, AI, talented people, and that's why we want to invest here. We have been contributing to investment in science, innovation, developing the future of medicine for many diseases. We've been doing this in China for many years, and we actually want to invest even more in the future. China is a fundamental part of innovation globally in our industry. We've been investing a lot in the last few years. We have teams in China that are able now to take the lead on global programs. We have 20 global programs led by our Chinese team here in Shanghai. So they are really becoming global developers. Our investment in Beijing will further accelerate all these efforts in the various areas and technologies where we want to lead.